Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share classic and simplest Indian dessert that's creamy, sweet and delicious. That's Shrikhand. So let's get started. I am using two boxes, that is 1.5 kg of plain yogurt. You can use fresh homemade curd as well. But if you live in Canada, I would recommend using Balkan yogurt as it works best for this recipe. Firstly, we need to strain the yogurt. Grab a cheesecloth or a muslin cloth, place it over a bowl and pour in your yogurt. Tie it up and let it hang for about 4 to 6 hours or overnight in the fridge. This will get rid of the extra whey and give you that thick creamy texture. Once the yogurt has been strained, it should look nice and thick, just like this. Now transfer it to a mixing bowl. Now add in the powdered sugar. I am using 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of sugar here. You can adjust sugar as per your taste. Mix it using whisk until you get smooth creamy consistency. If you want, you can wait for 5 to 10 minutes for sugar to dissolve and then start whisking. I would recommend whisking only with the hands and do not over whisk it. Here I have collected the whey water which I will be using later in rice or chapati. While the yogurt was draining, I prepared the saffron milk. Just warm up a tablespoon of milk and soak your saffron strands in it. It is optional but it adds nice natural color and flavor to the shrikhand. Let's add in chopped nuts for some crunch and flavor. I am using pistachios and almonds, but feel free to get creative with your choices. Lastly, I am adding a pinch of cardamom powder, which is again optional. Mix it gently, and if the consistency is thick for your liking, you can add a little more milk, just a tablespoon at a time. Look at the texture, so creamy. It's time to serve. Spoon the shrikhand into bowls or glasses and garnish with more nuts. You can chill it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour before serving, but honestly, it's so good you can enjoy it immediately. Do try this recipe and thanks so much for watching.